I'm Brittany with WTI, and I have a lot of hot water needs. So this Ovente electric kettle has really saved me so much time. I never knew how useful an electric kettle was until I finally had one. Not only is it great for if you're doing a fresh press for coffee, if you're doing teas, if you do sinus rinses, you can even just heat up some water for if you are wanting to soak your feet. So it's really nice to be able to heat up your water so quickly to fill any of the different needs that you have. So this one is made of glass, and the reason why I like that is when you're dealing with a kettle and you're putting liquid in it, it's almost impossible to make sure you get all of the water out. So with the glass, you worry less about any bacteria building up. It's more sanitary. Obviously, it handles heat a lot better. And I think it looks beautiful. When you turn it on, it's got that nice blue light that glows. It turns off automatically once it reaches the maximum temperature. It's nice, that's something that's going to save you time, help you with your health, and that's my point of view.